called jumping raisins. First, let me pour 1 cup full of water. We get another cup. Bye! We take 2 scoops of baking soda. Why are you this much close to me? One scoop and oopsies. Oh my! And another half scoop makes it perfect. Mr. Is faster. Oh my God! It is really murky. Nothing just happened. Look at it! When you add baking soda and little bit of citric acid, look, all the raisins are going up and down. It is awesome! But these raisins are dummy. I had 2 types of raisins. Oh, they're also going up slowly. Let me give them a stir. Oh my God, this is very relaxing. I love this experiment. When baking soda and citric acid mix, carbon dioxide creates and make them go up. Nay, they are really jumping like me. Oh. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. But they're jumping in slow motion. Finally. Baking soda and acid. Bye! Bye! Have a nice day, everybody! Behind the scenes.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe so.